Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. Today the topic is very interesting. So we are talking about why the prices of gold are going very high. And I am betting you that if anybody has purchased gold in the year 2024, which was around 65 to 70,000, in 2 years they would have definitely doubled their amount. Right or wrong? Yes. So if you have invested around, let us suppose 5 lakh rupees or 10 lakh rupees, you would have made 7 8 lakhs, or 12 to 14 lakhs. So that's a investment that any investor can dream for, right? That's how it is. So today the topic of discussion is related to our examination also, and also very important that you have to take out your books and take out your pen and start writing with me and listening to the lecture. So there is very important point that every time whenever I come to the class, okay, you should understand it as a class, not as a YouTube video. Make sure this is very important, because we are not doing here haphazard videos. We are not doing something which is very random. I'm not picking up the topics which are irrelevant to our examination, not picking up the content which is sensationalizing something. I'm picking up the content which is important for the MCQ, which is important for the mains content, for the body of the mains question. So make sure that my videos never should be taken as a YouTube video. It has to be always taken as a class. And the moment my video comes, it will generally comes in the afternoon. Maximum it's coming in the afternoon. Okay, morning I have classes. That's the reason I am coming nowadays at 3 or 4 o'clock. But whatever it is, from 1 to 4, this 3 hours, very good hours. Okay, I'm not even uploading at the time of lunch, because I know that you all in Ashok Nagar may be going, or anybody in any other place you might be having your lunch. So that's the reason I'm not uploading in the lunch time. I'm coming after lunch. So just take the window of 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Sit in your library, put the headphones on, and do it as a class. You will learn a lot. I'm guaranteeing you. Okay, so do not skip all the advices and the suggestions that I give you. It's not a regular class that you actually watch. It's a proper class. Okay, so those students who are seeing me for the very first time, and those students who have not yet enrolled in my course but still watching me, make sure that you be a part of my economy paper and Telangana movement paper. If you are a part of this paper, you will get SNT complete material classes and the explanation, doubt clarification also free, along with their current affairs also you'll get. Okay, but there is a separate price for this particular for women and for general women who can pay on par with the men can do this, or women who can pay little lesser also, no need to worry about it, you can do it. Okay, right. So the number is given here, the number is given in the description, the number is given in the slides, so you don't have to worry about calling me. Okay, so today our topic of discussion is as simple as that, which is very profounding, and which is going to give you a lot of knowledge with regard to two types of gold. Here we are having, this is called physical gold. Okay, physical gold, that's what is existing on the girl's neck, or the earrings, or the nose pin, whatever it is. Okay, on the bangles, bracelets. So we are talking about jewelry here, we are talking about bars here, we are talking about coins here. These are all called as what? Physical gold. And the coins of a particular transaction in the coins, selling and buying in the coins, we generally call it as what? Bullion. Remember this one. Bullion means nothing but coins, nothing but a sabit, a plain gold bar, or a gold coin. Remember this point here. Now we are talking about sovereign gold bond scheme. Sovereign gold bond scheme, I have invested in this scheme. I don't know that when I will get the returns. I'm not able to withdraw also. Sometimes I do require money, but it's not happening that my 11,000, 12,000, whatever is there in this bond, I really don't know that how to get the money out of it. I did it through SBI bank. Okay, sbicard.com something. Okay, because when I was of your age, youthful age, I had a SBI bank account only. So if you know that how can I redeem it, please let me know in the comment section. I would be more happy, because I want to get the money out of it. Okay, right. So today we'll be talking about so the major important question here is, investors are very confused nowadays. So they don't know that investing in this physical gold, or buying the physical gold is good, or buying the bond is good. A bond is nothing but, you all already know that it's a piece of paper. Whenever you are joining a company, wherever you are joining any of the work, they will give you a paper, 2-3 papers they will give, that what you have to do, etc. That can also be called as a bond if they write it that it is legally bonded on you. Means you cannot escape these provisions. Okay, basically one I'm very sorry. There was a lot of cooking gases there in my home. Okay, I don't know what happened today. So mom have just made it completely this kind of like spicy gas around my every room is there. It takes some time to subside. Okay, sorry for this. So investors are very confused that they are literally don't know that which one to buy. This is good investment. This is good investment. So I was talking about what is the meaning of a bond. Bond is nothing but whenever you join a company, they will give you some papers. If the in the papers, if any of the provision or any of the point is being written as it is binded on you, that is called as bond. Okay, remember this point. So this is also a piece of paper where the government stamp will be there, government bureaucrat sign will be there. In that particular bond, you will be what promised. You will be guaranteed to be repaid a particular amount from the government side. Obviously, that amount which is repaid to you. Okay, when you have invested maybe 1,000 rupees you have invested, government will repay it to you excess only. Okay, that is called as bond, and it is when we are calling it as bond. Bonds are always risk free. Okay, it means government cannot say that okay prices are increasing, decreasing. No, we will give you less price. It's not market regulated. Remember this point. Bonds are not market related, and when we talk about not market regulated, actually, so it is nothing but they don't work on supply and demand. They don't work on supply and demand. Bonds are completely what a risk-free instruments where you invest and you will be promised or guaranteed to be given a sum of amount that you agree for it. Then only you will buy it. Okay, bonds will generally have the lock-in periods also. Lock-in periods nothing but you cannot withdraw whenever you want to after investing. You have to keep your amount of money in that particular bond for some particular period of time wherever the lock-in period or maturity is allowed to you to get the money. Remember this point. Okay, so let us now talk about which one is a good investment, whether to invest in the physical gold or to invest in the bond. Which is the good investment? Let us talk about. It is not about something that I am trying to teach you which one to invest. So I am trying to also tell you the salient features of physical bond, physical gold, and the salient features of sovereign gold bond. So with the help of this, one MCQ can be definitely will be coming in the examination, because you know that gold prices are skyrocketing. They are actually doing lot of buzz around the all media channels, and every other time we're talking about gold prices zyada ho gaye, right or wrong? Yes. Okay, now let us talk about the differences. See this, whatever the difference is, this is all about sovereign gold bond. It means what? This is all the features of sovereign gold bond. Okay, one particular column is a feature of that particular instrument. Remember this point. Now the nature of instrument, you see, it's a sovereign gold bonds are government backed financial security, because you have invested money. Okay, that's why it is called as finance. Security is nothing but your money will not go anywhere. So it is a government given a financial security, but government will directly not sell. It is given by what? RBI. Whereas physical gold go tangible. It is tangible. Coins, bars, jewelry. You know that. This sovereign gold bond schemes are what? Intangible. Means you cannot see, you cannot touch, you cannot feel the paper. It is there on the laptop or your electronic form only. It will be there. So you can just see it, but you cannot touch. Whereas physical gold are not tangible, like coin, bar, and jewelry. Fine. And they are issued by whom? They are issued by any of the retailer, any of the wholesaler, anybody, only any gold trader will do this selling and buying. Here only RBI will do it. Okay. Now return structure, dual returns. One of the most important benefit of sovereign gold bond schemes are, so when, see, remember this point here, I'll tell you a very classical example of it, which I have done. So I have taken around 2 grams of gold, sovereign gold bond scheme. Okay, sovereign gold bond scheme comes with what? 1 gram is the minimum investment, not 0.5 grams. 1 gram is the minimum investment. So at that time I took 2 grams. Okay, so 2 grams comes to around 11,400 rupees something they have taken from me. Okay, automatically deducted from what? SBI account only. So that is around 12,000 I invested. Okay, so the moment I purchase, no, a bond has been there, that Sayyid Shujatullah has purchased this particular bond, and after 8 years of maturity period, he will be given what? The same grams will be given to me. The same grams amount means after 8 years, what will be the value of these grams? That amount will be credited to my account. Plus another important benefit of this particular bond is every year I'll get the interest, because my money is there with them. No, that 12,000 annually they will give me what? Interest. 12,000 they will annually give me what? Interest. So basically in the sovereign gold bond you will get the whatever the gold price, whatever is appreciated, that amount you'll get plus 2.5% assured annual interest. But when you buy a physical gold, okay, only you will get वो excess price, means जब वो time पे जो price होगा आपको वो मिल जाएगा, but you will not get any interest. So in physical gold, if you are keeping with you, there is no interest will be given to you, whereas in sovereign gold bond scheme you will get an interest and the appreciated value. So here you are having what more bumper offer. Clear? Now let us see the past performance. If you have seen the sovereign gold bond scheme performance, over 250% cumulative returns since inception due to the price rise. अभी तक का gold 240% increase हुआ. That increased value is also being performed by the bond or not years. Plus interest is completely compounding again and again, again and again. There is nothing we can do here because you will just get the increased price of the gold. That's all. Okay, no additional yields. But here you are getting a lot of additional yields. So till now, if you think that this is going to be a good investment or not, yes, sovereign gold bond scheme is a very good investment if you're thinking for a long term. But we'll come to that in a bit. Liquidity. Obviously, sovereign gold bond schemes does not come that you cannot sell them as simple as that for today, tomorrow, or next minute. You cannot sell it by because they comes with a lock-in period, 3 years, 5 years, or 8 years. You can only withdraw the money in these years only. Whereas you know that रात के 12 बजे भी किसी के पास गोल्ड लेके जाओ तो वो खरीद लेगा, राइट और रॉन्ग. Highly liquid. Liquidity in economy is nothing but how to convert anything into cash. Okay, this pen is there. आप ले रहे क्या? So it will be converted into cash. In how much time? So highest liquidity material if you are having on the earth, it is what? Gold. Diamond से ज़्यादा है. अगर आप किसी को बोलेंगे डायमंड होना या गोल्ड होना, which one you want to exchange for money, means people will take only gold. Remember this point here. These are highly liquid. Okay, can be sold instantly. जाओ बस कल्याण ज्वेलर्स में दे दो, पैसे ले लो. But यहाँ पे वो नहीं होता है because it is not going to work in here because if you are having what lock-in periods, you will also remember this point. If you are buying this foreign gold bond scheme, does not mean that within 1 year you cannot remove. You can withdraw, but you will not get any benefits. You'll get moreover you get losses. Okay, now let us see taxation. So sovereign gold bond scheme, whatever the money you get from this scheme, everything is tax free. No capital gains tax will be levied on it even after 8 years. But the moment you sell the gold, 3% GST for purchase, for they are purchasing our gold, so they will put 3% because they have to pay. The Kalyan jewelers have to pay to the government because they are purchasing from us. So they will put 3% GST they will take from us. Then jewelry is their making charges, processing charges. So in long term, capital gains tax is also applicable. Means after 8 years also if you are selling, means you will get what? How much value is appreciated? That much long term capital gains tax like 12% will be levied on your physical gold. All that jhanjat of taxation will not be there in sovereign gold bond scheme. Remember this point here. Okay. Now, safety and storage, very, very safe sovereign gold bond scheme. It is with the RBI, it is with the banks, it is in the digital form, no worry of theft. Whereas in physical gold, if you are having in excess, you will be very worried to go out locking your door, right or wrong. You cannot just go out. You will say that, तुम रुक जाओ, you start, okay, ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నావా ఇవాళ అని they will ask the sons only. ఉంటున్నామా మేము పోయి వస్తాం నువ్వు ఉండు. ఓకే, ఎందుకంటే గోల్డ్ ఉంది ఎక్కువ, అక్కది కూడా గోల్డ్ ఉంది, చెల్లిది కూడా గోల్డ్ ఉంది, ఉండు, లైక్ దట్. ఆర్ ఎల్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు ద లాకర్. You have to find a SBI locker or a bank locker, or you can put it there. Otherwise, lot of risk of theft will be there. Purity assurance. Now, 100% guarantee. Okay, as because you have not purchased the gold, so you have purchased a gold bond. Whatever the amount is appreciated, all you will get. Whereas what happens, when you buy a 10 gram gold, 10 gram kind, no, after 8 years they will say that, madam, idi koncham purity taggindi dinki. Okay, 1 gram purity taggindi, 9 grams varaku. Okay, అంటే ఒక మెటల్ది డిప్రిషియేటింగ్ వాల్యూ యాడ్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, ప్యూరిటీ మస్ట్ బి వెరిఫైడ్ by, and it varies from vendor and vendor. They will, means Kalyan Jewellers, Joss Lucas, they will test the purity in different ways. So you will lose money here with the purity, loss of depreciating of the metal value. Minimum investment 1 gram, same minimum until like here also physical gold you can have 1 gram earrings or 1 gram nose pin, etc., so and so forth. Liquidity cost, no making charges, no GST. Whereas the moment you liquidate, you'll have to pay charges, melt losses, GST, reduce value, etc., so and so forth. Regulatory backing issued by RBI, no one can default it. Okay, but here market driven. If the gold prices go slow, you will be paid less. Depends on the trusted jeweler that how better they are paying you. If you are a good customer, seasoned customer, they will pay you a little bit extra. They'll decrease the percentage of melting charges or whatever the making charges. Okay, so here it is market driven, so it is you cannot be sure at all. Suitability. So gold, sovereign gold bond schemes are those for those people who are having what very less investment that they can make over a long period of time, like me. Okay, so 3,000, 4,000, I did it. 11,000 I put it on sovereign gold bond schemes, and after 8 years I'm gonna see them. So it's a like middle class, lower middle class. They can have this particular. They're more of this kind of who want to save tax and who are thinking for a long term. This is for instant liquidity. Nothing but Allu Arjun bought 10 lakhs rupees of gold after 2 months, like in December 2025, he sells it and makes a profit of 12 lakhs. So just see how the richest can make money. Okay, the 2 lakh rupees, sorry, is equals to what? A person, a girl who is working in saloon, girl who is working in supermarket, it is 1 year salary of her, which Allu Arjun can make in what? Just 2 months. Other benefits here: no storage cost, no purity issue, ideal for portfolio investment. If you are investing, if you are having a portfolio, is nothing but on various investing opportunities what you are investing. This is your portfolio. Portfolio is nothing but on various headings your investment is going. Okay, that is called as portfolio investment. So this is gold you have invested, this is shares you have invested, this is mutual fund you have invested, this is in SIP you have invested, this is your portfolio. So portfolio management is nothing but a company will be taking care of all your what investments and trying to give you the best cumulative returns, like 14% per year or 18% per year. They will give that. This is called as portfolio management, basically done by what? Financial experts and professionals. These are act as hedge, culturally accepted, easy to give to anyone, to pledge, loan collateral. 2 मिनट में पैसा मिलता है आपको गोल्ड रखे तो एज ए लोन ऑल्सो, बट सोरेन गोल्ड बॉन्ड स्कीम में आपको लोन नहीं रख सकते. यू हैव टू गो फॉर ए प्रोफेशनल्स, okay, trading companies to get the sovereign gold bond scheme and can be used as a collateral. I hope this is all clear to you. This is all about the which one to buy. Write down in your comment section that if you want to invest, in which you are going to invest, whether you want to invest in physical gold or you want to invest in sovereign gold bond scheme. Do write in the comment section. Do join the courses. I'll come with more updates and current affairs. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.